here.
Sure. I mean, Darren had just mentioned something that's really important, and it's a term that I use, information lifecycle management or application lifecycle management. You align the value of the application, the use of the technology, with the investment that you make on the infrastructure. And when you have waste associated with multiple applications, redundant applications, if you can eliminate that waste, you can free up resources, you can free up maintenance costs, storage costs, resource people's time to invest in some of the innovations that we heard about for better uptime, server upgrades. So right now, with the federal government's budget being flat and really constrained, application rationalization, information lifecycle management, these are strategies that free up those resources that can refund fund these new technology innovations. This is really the biggest benefit I think that's offering the government right now, because there's not more money coming into the budget. You want to use the money that you have better, and the best way to do it is stop wasting money on apps that people aren't using.
Right. I mean, companies that I work with now, I mean, the first thing I say to them is, if you have an idea, it better save more money than it costs.
That's right.
And do it within a very short period of time, not savings 3 years out. I mean, it's got to be very
immediate.
Yeah, ROIs within months.
And in that example, if you have 10 applications sitting on a rack or a server that's been virtualized, but they're redundant, if you could retire all of those apps, put the functionality or the data in the new application on new innovative technology, that's an immediate savings right there.
Right.